How do I get internet access in my new home garden office?
Need a new name for that.
This week, I've got one inspired by a guy called John.
Hello there.
And John got in touch because he had a problem with his new home office. It's located at the end of his garden and he couldn't get internet access down there. His wireless network doesn't reach the end of the garden, so he wanted to know what to do about it. And I said, John, there's two things I can tell you. Number one, if you're going to be planning ahead, the best solution for your new home office is to run some data cables down to the end of that garden. And whatever you're planning to use, run double the number of cables you think you're going to need. So if you think you're going to need 2 connections, run 4 and you won't go wrong. And just to prove a point, one of my team was helping out another client on Friday evening. His home office that is at the end of his garden, and because he did speak to us in advance, does have hardwired cables, had a problem. His computers in his home office couldn't connect to his NAS unit that was in the house. So some diagnostic time later, turns out their new puppy has chewed through one of their network cables. Thankfully, this client followed the rule. So we rerouted through the other connection and bing bang. For the other solution for John and what he had to resort to, watch next week. Until next time.